Okay, hot girl. Hot girl. You driving today or your daughter driving you? Your nice daughter driving you? So you're gone? So can I see your hair for the last time?
You can't just see.
No, it's not me. I know it's your real hair. It's my family on YouTube who want to see your hair and want to know if it's your real hair. So come no man.
Did you say that yesterday?
Mother, let's do it today again. Come. Is it your real hair, mother? Mother, let's see your root of your hair. Naturally, that's her hair. See it there? Okay, goodie. I see you. I see you, hot girl. Yes! That's my mama. All right. Big up, big up, big up. All right. Praises here. Praises, all right? Oh, you say praises? Did you say praises? All right. Praise the Lord. Nezzy, praise the Lord. Because you come in.
Stop now.
Stop.
Your video in the press.
Okay, no more video. You hear that?
Off of the church.
No, that is the last one. Last one.
Last one.
Alligator. When you come back, you're going to sweep, or if you sweep. Okay. All right. You looking good though, mom. You see, mother? Mother that I got you.